Yo, the cops are blocking us in. Just go. Yo, what is going on, man? What? Can I ask what's going on?
Yeah, I don't know.
Alright. Right, I'm about to just run through it. Bro, what is going on? Oh,
We don't want that going up 20 seconds.
bro, come on, we're not doing anything, bro. Bro, we haven't even pulled a flippin' wheel. Back up, stay together.
Sorry. Facing that way. I need your insurance, registration, and driver's license.
Can I get off to get this stuff?
Military?
To be honest, sir, I'm from Florida, so I came from Florida. This is what happens when you go to a ride and you get pulled over. Oh boy. That was something right there, dude. He was so strict. Like, he's like, don't get off the bike. Stay forward. I was like, dang, man. I was just in a bro. I didn't, like, shoot anyone. Like, gosh. What happened?
Yeah.
Bro, I got... Did you see they got me?
Yeah, what
Mother... Dude, it was a motorcycle cop. I was like...
That you ain't pulled over?
Yeah.
You get a ticket?
Yeah. Not for wheeling, though. Unsafe speed.
How fast are you going?
I was going under the speed limit.
Under?
Yeah. I was in a wheelie, though. So he said instead of giving you a wheelie ticket, I'll give you unsafe speed. It's less bad or something. So, whatever. Everyone's filling up their motors. It's so funny. If you haven't noticed, a lot of people put their two-stroke oil in baby bottles, which is pretty nuts. So they'll have like a baby bottle on them. It's perfect measuring. That's why they have it. And then once you put new gas in, yo, they got him. Bro! Good, you're good, bro. Dude, you're this close, bro. Yeah, bro. Shake it, bro. Yeah, what the f going on, bro? This is Philly right here, baby.
Step off the bike.
What?
Okay, where's your license plate?
Right here. I didn't do anything wrong, officer.
Yeah, you did. Can I see your license?
Yes. What did I do?
Well, first of all, I believe you were the one we were trying to find yesterday. And two, that's good for $1,500.
What? What?
that is illegal.
It's visible.
Okay. Son, do you want to discuss it, or do you want me to tell you what the statute says? Statute said it has to be at the back of the bike. Needs to be plainly visible. Problem is, we also have a complaint about someone with a bike that fits this description running from one of our people yesterday afternoon. So I'm going to try to check and see who was out there yesterday.
Me? It wasn't me, so.
It's the description, so just hang tight.
You getting all this on video?
Yeah, I have it on video.
Yeah, I know. I'm just saying. Take the video and show the tag, how it's mounted on there.
I mean, to be honest, I thought that was legal because
We'd suggest.
There's no suggestion. It's a $1,200 fine.
Actually, is it 12 or 15?
12.
12? Okay.
I think it's 1,500 seconds.
I had no idea. I'll put it here, but I just.
That's where it belongs.
It has
if you
to
look
be.
right here, right here, that's where your mount is.
I know, correct, but I just bought the bike, and that's how the guy had it before me. So
I'm gonna end up getting you a written warning because you haven't been a jerk. You haven't been giving me a hard time. Don't really appreciate you shoving a GoPro camera in my face when I get here, but
wait,
what? Okay, where's your license plate?
Right here. I didn't do anything wrong, officer.
Yeah, you did. That's your license. Don't really appreciate you shoving a GoPro camera in my face when I get here, but
wait,
you know what I mean? Come on, you and I both know what we're talking about.
I understand.
You know, you might want to consider that because, quite frankly, what I was telling you was the truth. That wasn't nasty to you when you look at the recording.
No, you're completely nice and honest.
And we did have a bike that seemed to fit the description flee from us yesterday with no tag in the same area. And what happened was when that bike bugged out on our deputy yesterday, he bugged out right in the area where you were seen.
Okay.
And if you think I'm making it up, he will tell you. I'm not.
No, I believe you.
That tag, though, where you've got that displayed, I mean, if the situation had been a little bit different, you would have had a different attitude, or you would really push my schoolmates told me it goes there, you're wrong, cop. You probably would have gotten it. You are perfectly within your legal rights to record me doing anything you want.
Yes, of course.
Don't care, but understand. Doesn't always. It's not a good way to put your best foot forward. Okay. So, and that's again that.
I mean, I don't understand. I don't record just for. It's for anything. If I get in an accident, you know,
fine.
just for like.
You're fine, but all I'm saying is you have every legal right to do it, but you're not necessarily putting your best foot forward if you're going to sit there and be. No, officer. I was told that. No.
Oh, I mean, I didn't mean it like that.
Okay. I'm just telling you how it comes across. I'm not messing with you. I mean, I don't get paid to mess with you. I just do that by one thing. Read up on that one too.
I'll tell you.
Yeah, what happened? And I will tell you, you were scooting around in your neighborhood. Apparently, you brought yourself to the attention of one of your neighbors who didn't appreciate your efforts. I don't know what you were doing, and I'm not saying you were doing anything.
Wait, when? What do you mean?
Well, the reason I'm here is because someone over in the area called about you.
Okay. What did I do?
Well, first of all, you were the one we were trying to find yesterday. Two, that's good for $1,500.
Oh my god, guys. So now the officer is saying that someone in my neighborhood called, and that's why he actually pulled me over. But in the beginning of the video, right when he pulls me over, he's saying that I looked like someone who ran the other day.
Well, the reason I'm here is because someone over in the area called about you.
Okay. And Makai?
You, and then you go down to the end. There's like, and you live right there, don't you?
Yeah,
Sandy.
I mean, yeah, you saw my address.
Well, no, but then I was looking at...
Alright guys, listen to this part really close. He's talking about who called, like he doesn't even really know. He's just saying some random place, and he's like, in my neighborhood. He knows that I live there, and then he's like, oh wait, you live there, right? Look.
And you live right there, don't you?
Yeah,
Sandy.
I mean, yeah, you saw my address.
Well, no, but then I was looking at...
And I'm like, you saw where I lived, like in my address, like, and then he's like, whoop, 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 whoop.
Well, no, but then I was looking at some other stuff. But right in that area is where someone called.
Alright. Well, I appreciate it.
Take care of yourself, man. Good luck,
All
man.
All right, good luck.
getting pulled over.
Southeaster. You got your driver's license registration?
Yes, yes, sir.
Go ahead and bend your tags down so I can see. All right. So who has a Class M license out of all you guys? Anybody?
I got my motorcycle license. Is that what you're asking?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm from Florida. That's right here. Motorcycle.
Either one of you guys have Class M's?
Honestly, I have my unlearned. It's just out cruising, man.
I understand, but you know, the laws are the laws for a reason.
Understood.
Okay. I might catch you a break because you're wrong. Okay. I mean, well, you got tags on yours. Does the tag belong on that one?
I got a Honda too.
But does it belong on this one?
No.
So you just put, so those tags don't belong on this bike?
No, they go to my Honda.
So you put tags that belong on another bike on this bike?
Yeah, my Honda.
So both these bikes are technically unregistered?
Yeah, baby.
Alright guys, sit tight.
You even said it when you come over here.
Well, I said, come over here, Sam. I don't know nothing about. I don't really know nothing about none of this shit over here.
Yeah.
So they do good on this.
We out here, baby, getting pulled over DC left. You think we could have made it if we would have ran? You think we could have made it if we would have ran?
We could have bounced through this shit, but there'd be so many Capitol police up there.
Yeah.
That's what I said. We like in the heart of it. We like in the middle of this shit.
For real?
We would have made it out of here. 2 radios.
Yeah.
You can get some good ratings for this.
What?
You can get some good ratings.
Oh yeah, I am. Like, so I'm like happy about this, but then I'm not like.
12 o'clock with the bullshit.
That's why I told you. That's why when we got to that light down there, I said we got chill going through here. Fool. This ain't like the rest of the city.
Damn.
Downtown when we was over there by like Chinatown, you can do that shit. But right here, nah, you don't want to do no ways with no wild shit right here.
Yep. So right now, guys, we're getting pulled.
Second catch. This is why I'm going to tell you, drive straight home. Pass go. Okay. Operating a motorcycle in District of Columbia without a motorcycle license is an arrestable offense. Okay. That's totally fuck up your CDL. Okay. All right. You're going to lose it. Okay. All right. I like that picture, by the way. It was very surprising.
I know I do, right?
Go get a learner's permit.
Until you don't smile.
Thank you.
Thank God it's during my shift.
You got my key.
He's like, I'm gonna take the bike.
You get pulled over by MPD driving through 6D going home or 7D. This one, it's on you. All right.
I can't believe you called it. You're like right when we turn this corner.
I said, once we go up his heels,
Yeah.
I said, we on our own, but I don't know nothing about this shit over here.
There goes the police, bro. Oh my god. Dude, I can't believe they let us off with warnings. Even though my plate was good, it was just bent in. We are straight.